Happy Monday. Believe it or not, we are halfway through July. We're at the All-Star break, and the Texas Rangers are first place in the AL West. We're coming back to Texas now off of a few days with family up in the Midwest for the 4th, but today, July 13th, here's your market update and Clubhouse Insider. So rates opened the week down about 40 basis points, meaning rates are higher. We actually hit a 1-year high. So unfortunately right now, conventional loans are hovering around 6.75%. And it's all because of the action in the Middle East and the Strait of Hormuz causing inflation fears with the global economy. So what does that mean for you if you're looking to buy a refi? Well, on the refi side, it might mean you're in a holding pattern unless you're looking for something like rehab money, equity, or something like debt consolidation, in which there's money for you to save on those personal balance sheets, even with a little bit elevated rates, with the right long-term strategy. So for rate and term refis, it is a great time to make sure your ducks are in a row with your application paperwork and make sure you're working on your credit score. Make sure it's at least staying steady and hopefully improving. On the purchase side, there's lots of opportunity right now, especially to snag a home at a great reduced cost. People are on the sidelines, they're afraid of interest rates, but because of that, there's opportunities with less competition and sellers getting checked down off of all-time highs that we're used to in big markets and all over the country. And so rates historically really aren't that bad. You can get some seller help on closing costs, you can get a lower purchase price, and you can start long-term strategy of building equity. For example, if you bought a year ago at today's rates, you would have already begun building equity, especially versus building nothing in rental payments. So let's keep the perspective around long-term planning and not just overnight thinking. If you don't have a strategy yet, call me and let's have a great week, everybody.